Hey, Steve Zonard here, Treviso Realty. We're in Solis Grande in Bonita. It's a community built by Polte. We're going to look at the end unit townhome now. This is called the Rowan. Smaller than the mid unit in square footage, but also if you want to get a side entrance and have windows on the side of your property, you're going to want to go for an end unit. And number two, it's got a double car garage. So let's talk about the square footage. It's 657 square feet, 3 bedroom and 3 bath. It's 2.5 bath, but it's 3 toilets. I always consider it as a bathroom fully. Let's have a quick look. So this would be your entranceway here. It's a side entrance, almost like a carriage house. So this is the benefit from being an end unit. You're gonna have windows on the side. The only thing is you're getting square foot chopped by the double car garage as well. Here we can start out this way. So you kind of see the main space right now is just going to be your kitchen. So it's a generous sized kitchen. It's like the size of a scenic, like a single story. And then your family room is a little, it's rectangle, not a lot of space, but it's still a very, very good unit for a small family or some snowbirds. This is larger than the Adler. This is a 3 panels into 1. So you have a little bit more of an opening to get into your lanai. Again, and you're going to have obviously an opening here. If you see on the other section there, you're not going to have that, and that's the Adler. So you're going to have like a side with no obstruction view. I think I see a pantry here, so let's take a look. Yeah, so generous sized pantry. This is going underneath the stairs, and you kind of see like the curve in the ceiling there. It's like a party in there. Chips, chocolate. I love it. This is your half bath. Oh. There's no light on there. It's your half bath. And so this is going to be on this end here. Your closet, little coat closet, and this is the entrance to the garage. So now the employees are working in there. So this would be a full double car. I kind of like these staircases where they're like sort of like an L shape rather. So it's like less daunting than a full run. It's your washer and dryer as you walk up. That works. Let's go left and then we can go right. This is going to be your master bedroom, so nice closet. Again, this is the benefit of having an end unit. You see you're going to have windows on the side of the home. Big windows. This has actually got larger windows than the Adler. So there's some pros and cons. Clearly you're losing square footage and you're paying a higher price to be in an end unit, but you're gaining a double car garage. So if that's important to you, then it's going to be more than likely your model that you want to choose. Yeah, so just obviously shower pen, and just a toilet back there. Water closet. This is a neat area too. They just created like sort of like having a little area for like a separate area to have like a computer and desk. It's a good idea, to be honest. Full bathroom here. I'm hoping someday that they choose to start eliminating carpet on the second floor, Polte. They're starting to modernize to be more of a northern builder. Hopefully this at some point they'll do either luxury vinyl planking or hardwood flooring would be great. This is another bedroom, just like the Adler, very, very narrow. It's a small room. Now this is their design center. And then this is gonna be their second large bedroom here, it's the largest bedroom. So again, you have just one bed, a few night tables, and you have a pretty large closet. And the reason they give you these great closets is just to kind of eliminate furniture in the bedroom itself. Yeah, and that's the complex. If you kind of see at this angle, just across the road, this is Midtown Shopping Center. You kind of see now they're going through the area now, moving soil around. They've just created a lake. Obviously, that's a retention pond, and then those are the apartments in the rear. So pretty cool. That's pretty much it for the Solis Grande community here in Bonita. If you have any questions, please reach out, 239-672-0616.